Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 20th October. And first of all, national news. Conduct digital crop survey from July 2024, center to states. President Murmu launch Agri Roadmap for Bihar, bats for organic farming. Raghubar Das appointed Governor of Odisha, Indra Sen Reddy, Nallu of Tripura. Army Commanders Conference. Army prepared to deal with any contingency in eastern Ladakh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. CCTV cameras to be installed in all buses in Kerala by October 31. 418 feet tricolor, India's tallest, installed at Atari Wagah border. Mumbai air quality dropped to moderate but is worse than Delhi. Now some international news. Russian Foreign Minister offered security talks with North Korea, China as he visited Pyongyang. Britain's Sunak slammed horrific attacks on visit to Israel. Escalating tensions in Gaza under sharp focus in civil war scared Sri Lanka. US announced sanctions against a group of 10 Hamas members in financial network over Israel attack. US UK urged citizens to leave Lebanon amid Israel-Hamas war. Putin accused World Olympics body of discrimination against Russians. Now some sports news. Hardik Pandya suffered injury during Cricket World Cup 2023. Lionel Messi ruled out for Inter Miami's home finale, might return to play Charlotte. National Games kicks off in Goa, set to be formally inaugurated on October 26. Karthikeyan Murali became third Indian to beat Magnus Carlsen in classical chess. And Venus Williams targeting a competitive return to tennis in March. Now some business related news. Hindustan Unilever quarter two net profit fall marginally to Rs 2,657 crore. Government tweaks licensing norms for laptop computer imports, puts in place online authorization system. Nestle said it has temporarily shut down a production plant in Israel. GST evasion of Rs 1.36 lakh crore detected so far in financial year 24 DGGI. IndusLand Bank quarter 2 profit jumped 227 to Rs 2,202 crore. Science related news. Orionid meteor showered to dazzle the night sky on October 21 to 22. NASA's Juno shared Jupiter's volcanic moon and its lava-scarred surface. NASA's Psyche mission, a 3.6 billion kilometer journey to center of the Earth. And that's all in news. Thank you.